Tool type, mini/multi-tool. Material, tool, 6150 high-tense steel. The original Crankbrothers tool range. Compact and lightweight tools for any eventuality. Whether it's making a minor adjustment or an on-the-trail repair, these tools have you covered. The high-tensile steel multi-tool features a precise fit and finish and side grips for a secure handhold even with gloves on. Top reviews from the United States. Great tool. I purchased this in case I needed to adjust or fix something on the trails. I'm new to mountain biking, so I don't have many tools that can remove bike components. I've done a few things I wouldn't have been able to do since buying this tool. I had a chain I had to replace off my old bike. The chain tool worked great to get the old chain off. I sized the new chain and used the chain tool again to remove some links, but it was very stiff about a quarter way through. I used some pliers to hold the chain tool while using the flask to give me some more leverage on the tool, and it worked perfectly, and I was able to install the new chain. I have also installed new locking grips on my bike, adjusted pedal pins, tightened some loose spokes. I am very satisfied with this tool so far.